Hello people, this is Tanu Sharma and today we'll be starting the computer graphics series. So in today's video, we'll be covering the basics of computer graphics and its applications. So let's get started. First of all, the term what does the computer graphics means? So combinedly, computer graphics refers to like the manipulation or the creation of visual representation of the objects. As I've stated here, computer graphics is one of the most effective and commonly used way of communication with the user. As you know, through computer graphics, the computer can communicate with the user very effectively. Next, in computer graphic pictures or graphics, here the objects, see this very carefully, the objects are represented as the collection of discrete pixels. इसका मतलब ये है कि कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स में जो डिफरेंट हमारे पास वैरायटी ऑफ जो ग्राफिक्स होते हैं या जो पिक्चर्स होती हैं, उनमें हर ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो रिप्रेजेंटेड होता है एज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ discrete pixels. Now you would say, what does the term pixel refers? So pixel is nothing but it is the smallest element of the picture and it cannot be able to break down further. And similarly, there are some more common terms that the first one we can say resolution. Resolution is the total area covered by an image. Okay? It is nothing, just only the width and the height multiplication. How we calculate the area of the rectangular? Similarly, we calculate the area of an image and that is termed as the resolution. Here another term is like pixel per inch, PPI. Okay, so it shows the diagonal range of an image. If suppose this is my image, so the diagonal range would be known as the pixel per inch. Now in your vivas in like colleges, a term can be asked like what is the aspect ratio. So it defines the quality of an image by width by height ratio. Okay, here another term comes like what is rasterization. So rasterization is nothing but it is like a special procedure which determines which pixel will provide the best approximation to the desired picture or graphical object. So in simple terms हम ये समझ सकते हैं कि रास्टराइजेशन एक प्रोसेस है जो कि हमें ये बताती है कि कौन सा पिक्सल हमें बेस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेशन देगा हमारे डिज़ायर्ड पिक्चर के लिए, और इसी प्रोसेस को ही हम रास्टराइजेशन बोलते हैं. अब एक दूसरी टर्म पूछी जाती है जिसे हम स्कैन कन्वर्जन बोलते हैं. ये आपके 2 मार्क्स में भी आ जाता है. Like what is scan conversion? So scan conversion is the process of representing continuous pictures or graphics objects as a collection of discrete pixel is called as scan conversion. तो scan conversion एक process होती है जिसमें हमारे जो continuous pictures होती हैं या जो हमारे graphics होते हैं जो कि continuously arranged होते हैं, उनको हम represent करते हैं एक collection of discrete pixels, और इसी प्रोसेस को ही हम स्कैन कन्वर्जन बोल देते हैं. नाउ इन योर कॉलेजेस एग्जाम्स you could be asked like what are the applications of computer graphics. So there are numerous applications of computer graphics, but I have listed some of them so you can have a look in it. First, computer aided automobiles drawing. Okay, in your first semester or second semesters you would have studied about CAD. CAD is a tool. So with the help of that you can design buildings, automobiles, aircraft, etc. Second application could be the entertainment. Now entertainment is the major part in like the movie industry or game industry, and the creation of the movie industry, game industry is accomplished by the help of the computer graphics. The third application is the training. So computer graphics is used in training in such a way that it helps training the modules ओके हम क्या करते हैं ट्रेनिंग में, हम क्या करते हैं, हम मॉड्यूल्स क्रिएट करते हैं, और वो मॉड्यूल्स जो क्रिएट होते हैं वो क्रिएट किए जाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स. द फोर्थ वन इज़ द एजुकेशन. यू कैन सी कि कंप्यूटर जनरेटेड मॉडल्स होते हैं. आजकल स्कूल्स में भी, कॉलेजेस में भी पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशंस यूज़ करी जाती हैं स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाने के लिए. सो देयर कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स इज़ यूज्ड. अनदर इज़ वर्चुअलाइजेशन. सो वर्चुअलाइजेशन की क्या नीड आई कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स में? लाइक इट इज़ यूज्ड for virtualization of scientists, engineers, business analysis for the study of the large amount of information. And the last one is like the printing technology. So computer graphics is used in printing and textile design. So this is all for today. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.